From the renowned Q Posket series by Banpresto, we bring you the beautifully articulated figure of Kurama, the elegant fox spirit from the beloved anime series, Yu Yu Hakusho. This figure is a perfect collectible for fans looking to add a touch of charm and sophistication to their anime collections. Kurama, known for his calculating mind and stunningly beautiful form, is expertly captured in this figure. Featured in his human form, with his long red hair flowing, the figure showcases Kurama in a calm, composed stance, evoking his measured and intelligent nature. The Q Posket series from Banpresto is famed for its unique blend of realism and cuteness, and this figure does not disappoint. Kurama's distinct red hair, expressive green eyes, and elegant uniform have been beautifully crafted, bringing to life his serene character and timeless style. Made from high-quality PVC, the figure offers not only an intricately detailed and striking aesthetic, but also durability. The figure comes with its own stand, making it simple to display on any flat surface, be it a bookshelf, a work desk, or a dedicated anime display. Elevate your collection with the Banpresto Yu Yu Hakusho Q Posket Kurama figure, and let it serve as a reminder of the thrilling supernatural adventures and complex characters that Yu Yu Hakusho fans fell in love with. This figure represents more than just a collectible, it's a piece of the anime soul, making it an essential item for any fan of the series.
Kurama, also known as Yoko Kurama, is a nine-tailed fox demon who possesses haunting beauty and profound wisdom. The Kurama figurine from the Q Posket collection perfectly captures his elegant look and mysterious presence.